This is your project. This is Project Self. Time is the one thing you can never get back. Every second you waste is a second you'll never see again. So ask yourself, what are you really doing with your life? The harsh truth: we all have the same 24 hours. But while some people build empires, others scroll endlessly through social media, not because they don't have time, but because they don't value it. Wasting time is silently wasting your potential. Time is your most valuable asset. Money lost can be earned again. Energy spent can be restored. But time, once it's gone forever. Every minute you procrastinate is an opportunity missed, a dream delayed, a future compromised. Stop waiting. Stop waiting for motivation. Stop waiting for the perfect moment. Start now with what you have, because the clock isn't stopping, and neither is the world. Take control. Use your time to build skills, work on your goals, and become the version of yourself you keep dreaming about. Even 1 hour a day can change your entire future. Success isn't luck. It's discipline, and it starts with how you use your time. So the next time you feel like wasting time, remember this: you're not just wasting minutes. You're wasting chances. The version of you that succeeds is the one who shows up now, because your time is your life. Use it wisely. Subscribe for weekly reminders to grow, heal, and thrive.